egg. First, crack the egg open.
Pwede po ba ito?
Beat the egg.
Tawag na sa super flat. Maka.
Now, let's open the stove.
Oh, ito, lagyan mo naman. Lagyan mo naman ito, kapainit yung bago ulit ito. Yan ang tatapon yun.
Okay. Put oil. It's not that hot yet. Remember, just put a little. Okay, let's put it. Just, yeah, that's fine. Heat up the pan again. Great, it's hot now. So put your egg into the pan. Okay, we have to get a little bit of salt. Here is the salt. You have to put just a little. Good pinch. Done. Now what you're gonna do is put that on low heat. Like that. And oh yeah, I forgot. Flip it. I have a little bit of trouble in flipping it, but that's fine. Let's flip it once again. It's almost done. Okay. You just have to cut a little bit of this since we need a taco shape so that you will know. We have to close the stove and the bottom down. Then put that on the plate. Oh, I forgot. We had to put the extra salt. A little. Well, this pan is still have heat. Close it with that. Wait for a little bit more. It's done. Here's our perfect. Okay, now let's serve it. Okay, that's for my little brother. That's all of it. Thank you.